There they are. Clean as can be. And nails are short now, but they're too hyper. They're making me so tired. I just went to do. So too excited. Zettin's gonna lift Cypher. Let's go. Let's go. Try to walk in one line, please. Come on. Chayo.
Come on, guys. Ugh. This is going all over the place. I don't know where I want to walk. Or it's because the white one who's in is just being an asshole. Wants to play constantly. Come, this way. Ah! They're going real fast, so I don't want to watch their asses. Again! She doesn't give the big dog a rest. She's too full of energy. I didn't even bring water, so she's gonna be very thirsty. Oh, I need to be careful with the scooters. This is how I tie it up now. Maybe a little bit tighter. So these dumbasses. Oh, that makes me so tired. It's technically red lights. But there are no cars.
This is me walking now, and then maybe after that I will go to gym. Ow! These dogs don't kill me. And yeah, I'm taking a video with the GoPro. I don't know what it's going to look like, unfortunately. But yeah, we'll see. It's a beautiful day though. And look at the sunlight. Ugh.
Should have probably figured before we go. We can shit it all out.
Dangling my leg. Ow! Ow! He won't give up. He wants to be there. Look at it. It's a female dog and she pees like this.
I hope we're going the right way. I walk faster, I know for sure, but I mean, maybe there's one even further away.
Uh-oh, this is shit. Oh no! I don't have paper to clean it now. Ugh. It's a big one, huh? Woo.
你好，你洗手，洗澡，对，他们，坐好在这儿，等一下，坐好。Okay, and you. Joker. Okay. 坐，时间，坐，给我手，哎，有，can you write gentlemen? 坐好，坐。OK，好的，这边有电话。这边，wait， OK，时间 ，OK， so。I mean， 我给你。今天 ，no， 现在，一直 ，OK， OK。哎。时间到。不，因为maybe 可能，因为他们this one so hyperactive， this one no，对，因为我给你他们洗澡，我健身房，我健身我指甲，OK。微信 OK。打的勾是cipher， cipher and 小勾是字典。写好了之后，我微信跟你说。OK， 好 ，OK， 谢谢，let me just see. Oh, yeah, I've got it. 就是记者。
You think you've got my number figured out? A motive born in drought and brevity. If I'm not the soul of your design, I blatantly decline your dreamer, I'd rather be free, I'd rather be a leader, I'd rather be a queen, I'd rather be a singer in a trashy cover band. I'd rather be a closer, I'd rather be clean, I'd rather be a poser in a magazine, I'd rather be pretty much anything else than your machine. I wasn't always just a single shade, a palette full of gray in reverie. And I can burn it brighter than the sun. I have a golden gun inside of me. Don't box me in, don't, or I'll leave. I'd rather be a dreamer, I'd rather be free, I'd rather be a leader, I'd rather be a queen, I'd rather be a singer in a trashy cover band. I'd rather be a closer, I'd rather be clean, I'd rather be a poser in a magazine, I'd rather be pretty much anything else. And if I fall behind, ignoring all the signs, and if I lose the fight, I still rage against the night. Don't box I'd rather be a dreamer, I'd rather be free, I'd rather be a leader, I'd rather be a queen, I'd rather be a singer in a trashy cover band. I'd rather be a closer, I'd rather be clean, I'd rather be a poser in a magazine, I'd rather be pretty much anything else than your machine. Simple, dear, I'll still be here when you're gone. You gather souvenirs, but I will never be your pawn, your pawn, your pawn. My love wasn't ever a game. I lay my cards out on the table, there's nothing to gain. die. Think of love like a friend, not an enemy. My love wasn't ever a game. I lay my cards out on the table. There's nothing to gamble away. But I can promise that you'll never be the same. But I can promise that you'll never be the same. Have I become a little too shy for love? I've been hurt before. All's fair in love and war. So I'll snuggle up close to the shell I'm living in. And if I let you in, another round begins. No, I'm spinning in a vicious cycle. I'm scared of doing something I'll regret. Maybe this is right, but I'm still staring at your silhouette. What if you're everything I need? A fire in my heart, the air I breathe. What if I'm incomplete without you by my side? What if I go against my heart instead of confessing from the start? What if I miss out on the life meant for us? I need you by my side.
Should I be scared? The feeling's so different now. You got me floating here, a feather in the air. Oh, but when the wind blows, will I tumble or sail away? Or would you have me stay? And what if I escape? I know
I'm spinning in a vicious cycle. I'm scared of doing something I'll regret. Maybe this is right, but I'm still staring at your silhouette. What if you're everything I need? A fire in my heart, the air I breathe. What if I'm incomplete without you by my side? What if I go against my heart instead of confessing from the start? What if I miss out on the life meant for us? I need you by my side, by your side. I'm not afraid. We found something that'll never fade. We can be ourselves and figure out the rest along the way. What if you're everything I need? A fire in my heart, the air I breathe. What if I'm incomplete without you by my side? What if I go against my heart instead of confessing from the start? What if I miss out on the life meant for us? I need you by my side.
I need you by my side.
I need you by my side. I send flames, call my name. I freeze, I burn, I blame. I love, I hate the same. Was I needed? Do I need it to go wrong? Polarized inherent pain pumping through my veins. Eyes in flames, call my name. I freeze, I burn, I blame. I love, I hate the safe I embrace inside of me. I only fuel the fire. But is it wrong for me to fight against the balance of my power? History in halves, one brain. I will break the chain. Oh no, どこには呼ぶ燃えるラメコールドポップの愛と嫌いにいる。Oh no, どこには呼ぶ燃えるラメコールドポップの愛と嫌いにいる。I love, I hate the same.
There once was a ship that put to sea. The name of the ship was the Billy O.T. The winds blew hard, her bow dipped down. Below me, bully boys blow. Soon may the wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. She'd not been 2 weeks from shore when down on her a right whale bore. The captain called all hands and swore he'd take that whale in tow. Soon may the wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. Before the boat had hit the water, the whale's tail came up and caught her. All hands to the side harpooned and fought her when she dived down low. Soon may the wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. No line was cut, no whale was freed. The captain's mind was not on greed, but he belonged to the whaleman's creed. She took that ship in tow. Soon may the wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. For 40 days or even more, the line went slack, then tight once more. Our boats were lost, there were only 4, and still that whale did go. Soon may the wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. As far as I've heard, the fight's still on. The line's not cut and the whale's not gone. The wellerman makes his regular call to encourage the captain, crew and all. Soon may the wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take